Remove dust, oil, or makeup from the face with makeup remover. Clean the face with face wash. Apply toner to the face until it's absorbed. Apply massage cream evenly to the face and caress it. Caress the cheeks with your 2 ring fingers and 2 middle fingers combined. Draw a C between the upper lip and chin. Press Qingjiang RN 24 and Renzhong DU 26. Press Daikang ST 4. Jiacha ST 6. Tinghui GB 2. Tinggong SI 19 and Erman SJ 21. Pressing Xiang LI 20. Chuanliao SI 18. and Taiyang EXHN 5. Caress the periphery of eye with your 2 ring fingers and 2 middle fingers forming an Arabic numeral 8 and facing outward. Press Jingming BL1, Quanzu BL2, Yuyao EXHN4, Sijukam SJ23, and Tongzilio GB1. Press Chioho EXHN7, Qingqi ST1, and Jingming BL1 along the lower eye socket. Press Yintang EXHN3, Tianxin located at the middle of the forehead, Shenting DU24, 3 times. Caress the forehead back and forth with your palms alternating. Press the forehead with your palms overlapped. Caress the eye's periphery again with your hands, and move till Taiyang EXHN5, and stop and rub it. Place one hand with a scissor gesture on the forehead while the other, drawing C, moves from Taiyang EXHN5 to the other side. Move zigzag from one temple to the other with your 2 ring fingers and 2 middle fingers, and do it back and forth 3 times. Rub Taiyang EXHN5, move from the front of the eye to the back of the eye along the hairline, and slide out from the neck side. Lift one line after another from the chin to Taiyang EXHN5 with your hands alternating. Lift from the corner of the eye to the hairline. Lift from the forehead to the hairline. Do the same on the other side, move to the front and back of the ear, respectively, along the hairline, and slide out from the neck side. Relax the lower jaw with your hands alternating, and do it again with your hands reversed. Vacuum and RF, to accelerate metabolism of the face and tighten and firm it. Vacuum can expedite metabolism, while RF can stimulate collagen regeneration under the skin and lift and firm the face. It also prevents the skin from loosening and drooping and delays skin aging. Parameters setting. Suggested energy level, 3 to 7. Recommended mode, NOR. Advised operating time, 15 minutes. Proposed suction time, 0.1 to 2.0 seconds. Suggested release time, 0.0 to 1.9 seconds. You can adjust suction level per a user's tolerance. Lift the following areas with the device: jawline to the back of the ear, Xinjiang RN 24, to the front of the ear, corner of the mouth to the middle ear, wing of the nose to Taiyang EX HN5, apple-like cheeks to Taiyang EX HN5, and forehead to the hairline. Do the same on the other side. Clean the face. EMS and EL help the face resist aging and lift and firm it. RF can stimulate collagen regeneration beneath the skin. It lifts the corner of eyes and reduces fine lines around them. It also prevents the skin from getting slack and delays skin aging. Parameters setting. The suggested energy level for EMS, 3 to 7. Advised operating time, 15 minutes. The recommended energy level for EL, 3 to 7. Apply essence evenly to the face. Draw circles on the areas below with the device, jawline to the part behind the ear, Xinjiang RN 24, to the front of the ear. Corner of the mouth to the middle ear, wing of the nose to Taiyang EX HN5. Apple-like cheeks to Taiyang EX HN5, and forehead to the hairline. Do the same on the other side. Apply a sheet mask and wait for 15 minutes. Remove the mask and clean the face. Apply toner, essence, and facial cream to it. Fasten a strap onto the chin and head top, insert lipo laser pads inside, and tie them up. Parameters setting. Advised operating time, 15 minutes. Suggested mode, M1. Recommended energy level, 3 to 7. Wait for 15 minutes after clicking start. Remove the pads and untie the strap. Once a week. A course of treatment equals 10 sessions. Contraindications. Women in pregnancy or breastfeeding. With heart diseases or a heart pacemaker. With unhealed surgical wounds or in surgical recovery. With epilepsy, severe diabetes, hyperthyroidism, malignant tumors, etc. With skin diseases or infectious diseases.